And you
his
end
way.
up picking up with my fingers.
Exactly. Mr. Robert.
Hello, everyone.
Hi.
Hello. Is anybody hungry?
Yeah.
All right. All right. Chicken and scallops. Chicken. Steak and shrimp. How you like your steak?
Medium well.
Medium well.
Mm-hmm.
Only shrimp. Lemon and shrimp. Medium. Medium. Chicken and shrimp. Chicken and shrimp. Chicken and shrimp. Okay.
I got it.
I'm not one of them.
Yum yum sauce.
You can double yum yum me.
Sure. Right.
Do they do the horseradish?
You like horseradish?
I don't like it. I don't know why. I'm good.
Ginger sauce.
I don't want
Oh,
that.
Oh my god.
look, she like ginger dressing,
I
not
do.
ginger sauce.
One of them sauces is real salty, and I think
Oh,
that's
yeah.
it. I don't like
That's
that.
good.
Yeah, I don't want that.
It's a little, like, got that little spicy kick to it. The ginger.
Man, they don't have the horseradish.
Smile.
Yeah.
Ready?
Light it up.
Yeah, brows okay?
Yeah. Hey, would you like a drink for your birthday? Would you like a drink for your birthday? It's on me.
Sure.
It's so good. Go ahead and get you one. Hubby driving. Oh,
What you drinking?
it's a maca. It's really good.
Can I do a shot?
Huh?
Can I do a shot?
Yeah.
Yeah, I can't drink big steak.
You can mess your stomach up.
This one's so
Miss Owner, yes. Arrow.
Oh, he good. Good job.
Thank you.
Let me do it.
Sure.
Like I can
On the first
feel
try.
like I can handle it. I don't know.
She gonna get her a shot. I'm waiting till I see Sonny.
Yeah, rice. Yeah, okay. Oh, no, see.
I won't not tell. Exactly. Get it from the back, right?
longer. The veggies. Made me nervous.
Sonny, son. For her, for my friend, with the sauce. And Sonny, she want a shot. She was on a shot and those that put hers on mine. Okay, the shot, okay?
Okay, what kind of shower you want now?
Tequila.
Tequila? Okay.
And these two tickets on together. Okay. You know you can anytime. You know that. Okay, thank you. You cold, I'm hot.
Don't worry about when I take a shot.
That's what I was just say. This is why I'm hot right here.
It's gonna be a whole running faucet over here. It'll be hot.
That's exactly why I'm hot. You though.
Thank you.
Come back tomorrow. Okay. Anybody want more rice?
I'll take some more.
I'll take some more too. Thank you.
Yeah.
I'll take it. So he gonna watch us fly out. Thank you. you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Welcome. You're welcome.
Oh, Lord.
It is good.
That rice is good, right? I'm trying not to get too full.
I'm listen. At this point, I'm satisfied. Look, dab a do.
Thank you.
Thank you. Is it really? Yeah, it's a no for me. I should put somebody in the hospital. Ain't no way. What is it? That soy sauce?
Oh, is it too salty? I never used it.
No way, it's a few people in my right.
I know,
like that.
well, at least you didn't put it all over.
Yeah, I know better.
You'll be mad with it. Too salty. Feet be
Got me
swollen.
to the nearest bathroom so I can rinse it out and give me a strainer.
I ain't kidding.
I'm gonna eat this up. I'm gonna eat this right.
Your feet will be swelled
I
up.
know it.
Right there. Right.
Somebody with high blood pressure eat that. That's an instant
That's
death.
it.
It's
That's
a wrap for them.
That's it.
My Lord.
You don't have to elevate their feet when they get home.
Warming up from the inside out. Feel it.
You want me up real quick.
Looks like it's supposed to be dinner day.
Did you tell them it was your birthday? You know they bring you out a pineapple.
I really
And it's sweet. It used to be sweet too. They bring it up. Pop it small, cut it up for you and everything. I told.
let's get all they got off.
Yeah, that's right. A pineapple.
It's cooked, you said?
No, they just gonna cut it up for you, bring it out. It's usually real sweet. But they just chop it up and cut it out. And bring it out to you, and they sing and clap, you know.
Oh, I can't wait to sing.
I'll take some more. Some of that broccoli. Look, I saw
I like the
broccoli.
mushrooms and the zucchini.
All that broccoli on it.
Okay, I heard what's that? We don't have the horseradish. The horseradish.
We use diesel for. Yeah.
Okay. It's gonna taste the same. I'm gonna have to wait.
Steak.
Yep, I believe that'll do it.
Come out of there.
Gotta come out of
I
it.
know the shot of it because that's so big.
Brought it on out. It got real warm.
Real quick.
My Lord. One shot. Got a bliss. I need that. Oh, Lord. Ooh. It must have been,
You haven't had none in a while.
I don't know, girl. I had a party Saturday, we got it in.
Oh, okay. Where did y'all go? Did y'all go somewhere around here?
At the Elk. What was at the Elk?
See, those are
Yeah.
Elk. And now, is Elk the one that's the same as the... That's not the one over there by the hospital where they changed the name.
No, that's Great Fox.
That's so Elks is over there by the college, right?
Off from the college, yeah.
Yeah. And now, were y'all there on a Friday night?
Saturday, on Friday and Saturday.
So what night is the busy? Because I got friends coming down for my birthday, and so we trying to see what night we were going.
He run it.
Oh, do you run it? Oh, okay. Well, we planning to go one night, and we trying to find out what night is the
I like
busiest.
Friday night the best.
Okay, is it busier that night?
Sometimes.
We want to go when it's the busiest.
It's hit or miss. You
Okay.
just don't never know.
You never know.
Yeah.
Now, in 2019, I had a friend girl of mine, a little gathering there. Yeah, it was kind of slow that night though. We were there.
We had a good time Saturday night though.
You
Man, we had
did?
a ball.
Had a good time.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
I'll also say depending on who DJing.
Now, when we were there that night, this guy named real dark skinned guy. Yeah,
guy.
does he still DJ there?
On Sundays, but when I tell
on
you, and
Sundays.
he's still good too, and he's one of the best DJs they got down there.
Yeah, but only on Sunday.
Yeah, he only DJ on Sundays.
Yeah. Now, that's who DJed that night when I had my friend girl, the little gathering there.
Yeah, I like his music. I love his
Okay.
music.
But like I say, it was slow there that night, though. But see, I like his music, too, because he mixed blues in there with his music.
So, did you ever go to Cali's too?
Cali. Not when it was 2. I went to Cali, but like when they
I
first
don't
had
know if Sid was at the regular Cali. I know he was at Cali too. They got the DJ from over there. He's good. He did my party Saturday.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now, does he do it every Saturday or?
No, he rotates.
Every other weekend.
Okay. So he'll actually be there next weekend then.
Oh,
Said, I think this weekend.
He's not gonna be there.
I can't say.
Okay.
I can't say that because people have parties and they request music.
Oh, really?
Okay.
Now, I don't remember how y'all did it. Like, if I wanted to come down there and talk to y'all, what day would be good?
We only open on Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and Tuesday.
Dog, Tuesday gone. So I guess now would Tuesday or next week be too late if they come in that weekend?
If you come Tuesday, that's just for card night, but you can come in and get the information.
Yeah.
Okay, that's what I'll do then.
Yeah.
Now it won't be too late if I come Tuesday and they come in the weekend.
But you trying? What are you trying to do? You trying to have a party?
Well,
or
just have a table, you know.
No, you be fine.
Okay.
Yeah, you be fine, because I do the table.
Now I still would want the good DJ if I had to pay to have the better DJ there. That's okay.
I'm up.
I'll tell you what. I'll take your number.
Okay.
Yeah,
And
yeah.
we'll do that.
Okay.
That's kind of hard to say right now.
Okay.
What's your name? I'm gonna call. You have my
You
number.
can text me.
Okay.
Yeah, your first and last name. That way I have your number and then we'll talk about it.
Yeah, your phone should be ringing.
Okay.
You said Maria.
I appreciate it. I was just talking to her about it before we got here.
Things align.
I know, ain't that something? That's just crazy. We literally were talking about it pulling up here.
Yeah, what we gonna do?
And I mentioned that place. I couldn't think of the name of it, but I knew it was over there by the college, and we had a little gathering there before. I said the 12th.
No. That's Saturday.
Yeah. Next week.
Now, can we request Charles, or he just be on there that Sunday? Because, see, I sold Charles a house. I know him very well. He was my client.
You can ask him
Uh-huh.
If he gonna be there.
but he has a lot on his plate.
He does.
But you can ask, and you'll get the opportunity to ask.
Okay.
I'll see to that.
Okay, I appreciate it.
Oh yes.
Say no more.
And that's the 12th.
Huh?
That's gonna be the 12th.
The 12th?
Weekend of the 12th.
Well, either the Friday night or the Saturday.
Yeah.
I think leaning more towards the Saturday, though. Because they'll get here that Friday.
Okay.
So leaning towards the Saturday.
All right, I'll find out everything.
Well, I appreciate that. Thank y'all. I'm glad we... Because I was literally... that's how things happen, though. The way it's supposed to.
Ask her about the daytime events.
Oh yeah, like I was trying to plan something for us because they coming from Mississippi, right? Just trying to see what we could do that day though, because I want them to enjoy themselves. Do you know of anything?
He might just do that because he's from Mississippi.
Yeah. That's why I say I know him very well. Sold him and his wife a house years ago.
Now, as far as any kind of daytime activities around here, I don't know.
Oh,
Yeah, me either. And I've been here since January 2012.
Might go national for that.
I ain't good at putting stuff together like that though. Now a night gathering, yeah, but like daytime stuff, I don't know what to put together. Thank you. Happy birthday,
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear.
Happy birthday to you.
Thank you.